Do you have some plastic that is sticky and tacky and you can't seem to get it clean? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. It's Jody with All About the Harvest, where I teach you how to grow, use, and preserve your harvest. And today I'm teaching you how to clean some of those plastic things that just are sticky and tacky. That could be something from the kitchen, like this food processor. These buttons are very, very sticky. It could be an old lipstick tube. It could be this, this is a sound machine. This button is really sticky. It could be your remote. I just did this on a little mini speaker, portable mini speaker. So it could be anything. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is get a little dish. I'm putting some of my baking soda in a container here. Doesn't matter how much, it depends how much you need to clean. This is just a regular jar, and then it fits the ball. This is a spice top, so I really like this. I use this for my baking soda because I use baking soda to clean a lot. So I'll put a link to these below if you want to use them. So this is really nice. So I'm just going to put the baking soda in there. I'm going to add a little bit of water to make a paste. Now, I don't do any real measurements here, but just stir it around with your finger. Just try it. So this is pretty liquidy. We're going to try it. So as you can see, these are pretty sticky, right? I did try to clean these, by the way, with other things like rubbing alcohol. It didn't work. I forget what else I used. I tried this a long time ago. I was really frustrated. I set it aside, and I've been setting aside things that are sticky and tacky, and I was trying to figure out how to clean them, and I figured out the way. So let's do it. So we're just going to put it on here. I'm just going to do the one so you can see. So when I first did this with the music boombox that I have, I just rubbed it on like this, and then I wiped off with a rag. And that didn't really do it. You actually have to use some elbow grease. So I'm just gonna push down a little bit, and you'll see it starts to kind of and it comes off, the gunk comes off. So it's already, it's already less tacky, but you have to do it a couple times. And again, you can make a thicker paste. Now I did this, like I said, on a mini speaker, and I was able to do it without ruining it, so that's good. Yeah, you can see it's kind of coming off. So what I heard, what I read at least, yeah, you see that? What I read is that over time, this certain plastic gets a coating on it. You gotta, it gets sticky and tacky, and you gotta rub it off. Yeah. So, yeah, you can see it's already looking better. And when I'm done with it, when I know, like, okay, this is, you can kind of see now, this is not as tacky. So what I'll do is I'll take my rag and I'll just get it wet, get a little damp, and I usually take a junk rag, just wipe it off, and then dry it off. So you can see, actually, see how, like, right here it looks fine, and then right here it kind of looks the same color as that, because I obviously didn't get that little piece, but you can see how, and it feels new. It feels completely new. This is still, I mean, probably, it's still tacky. This isn't tacky at all. So I wanted to show you that. I'll finish these, but I just wanted you to see. I'll get some pictures of that. So this one right here, you can visibly see it is pretty, I mean, this is super tacky and kind of gross, to be honest. It's just the button. Everything else is fine. It's just whatever plastic is on this button. Again, so it's more than just rubbing it on. You gotta use some, look at that. That one was quick. You gotta use a little bit of oomph. Man, that was quick. You can see it's kind of gross because the sides are not done yet, but you can just see the difference, hopefully. It was all gunky on there. That's totally perfect. Now, obviously, I have to do the sides of this, which I'm going to do, but it's that simple. And now, instead of donating these things or getting rid of them because I didn't think I could use them, or you can sell them once you clean them up. So super, super quick and simple on that one. All right, this super tacky, kind of gross, but I thought it'd be a good one to use. And again, I could probably make this a little bit more concentrated, but you really probably don't need a lot. So as you can see, when I'm doing, you really, if you push hard, this will probably be a good one to show you. I can do part of it and not the rest of it, and you can see how it, gosh, it just changes. Yeah, and that's like new. It has like this film on it, apparently. I'm gonna just rinse this off so that you can see just where I did it. I'm just gonna dry it. So this is just where I went over it once. But if I turn it, you can see, and this is the original color. I just did it right there, I gotta finish it, but you can see. So it's super quick, super easy. So this was so much easier. I used, in the past, I used rubbing alcohol, I used citrus essential oils, I've tried other things. This was the only thing that worked. Super quick, super easy. Just need to actually work on it a little bit. Just use a little bit of elbow grease to actually get that off and wipe it off, and it's good as new. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when I release new videos each week.